Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create a plugin. A lot of people ask me to the basic setup of plugin. How can they create a plugin in their own WordPress website? So I'm going to show you this. In this plugin section, there you can see a lot of plugin. Here now we want to create our own plugin. That how to set up the basic of the plugin. Now in this video we're gonna see this. So for that you need to go to Visual Studio Code and open your project, and here you can see in public folder you can see WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. Go to WP content. Here you can see the plugins. Here create a folder and rename it. For example, I am giving the name is my plugin. Inside my plugin, create a file called my plugin.php. This is your plugin. Now what is the basic setup you want to write in this file? Okay, the basic setup you want to for your plugin is write a php file. Inside php file, there it is. Now what is your plugin name? Plugin name is my awesome plugin. You can give whatever you want. Plugin URI, so I don't share my plugin anywhere, so I don't have any plugin URI. If you upload your plugin anywhere else, you can give the plugin URI here. So I'm putting it empty. Description, you need to write a description on your plugin. For me, the description is my awesome plugin and I love my plugin. For example, I am giving this description, then version is 1.0.0, for example. Then author, you need to put your name here because you create this plugin. So my name is, put your name here, put in my name here. Then author URI, you need to give a profile of yours anywhere. You can give Facebook profile, you can give GitHub profile, you can give your WordPress.org profile, whatever you can give it here. Then license, okay, you should give a license here. For me, the license is or later. And last one is text domain, which is important. Or my plugin, our text domain is my plugin. Now go to the plugin option, reload this. Here you can see your plugin has been created. Now you want to activate it. So your plugin has been activated. Now you want to do, you can do whatever you want in this plugin. So this is the basic setup of any plugin in WordPress. I hope it might help you to create a plugin. Thank you.